Okay, the next parent graph is the inverse function, and y is equal to 1 over x, f of x is equal to 1 over x. This is the first discontinuous function that we have, that we're looking at. And the reason it's discontinuous, and you probably can't see it, but there's this invisible asymptote where the break is, because if we put y is equal to 1 over 0, that will be undefined. Every time something is undefined in an equation, there's an asymptote. If something zeroes up the denominator, it creates an asymptote on the graph. So in this case, when x is 0, the y is undefined, creating a vertical asymptote. And then you can choose a bunch of other values to the left of 0, and they will all be down here, because 1 over any negative number will be a negative value. 1 over a positive number will be a positive value. So that's what the graph of an inverse function. Now, because there's a break in the graph, there'll be a break in the domain. And notice, let me change this color. If we're coming from positive infinity, or let's put it this way, from the break of 0, we head off towards positive infinity. On the left side, from the break of 0, we head off to negative infinity. And so that's what the domain looks like. There's a break. It goes from negative infinity up to 0 without touching it. That's why there's an open parentheses, union symbol. And then on the right, it doesn't touch at 0. That's where the asymptote is, 0 to positive infinity. Well, the range is doing the same thing. Notice it start down here and it heads up towards 0, but then curves. And it starts at 0 and it starts to head up and goes towards positive infinity. So the range is also from negative infinity to 0, the union symbol 0 to positive infinity. All right, that's it for inverse function.